I've finished the deck, so now what am I going to do? Oh, I've got more projects. Welcome to another episode of My Floating Life. So, as you may be aware if you've followed right from the beginning, I do have a few different projects that I have to do. Now, I've already completed the deck and it looks fantastic. There's a couple of things I still have left to do, but really that's it. What I want to point out to you is this. This is my new patio door. Looks fantastic in tape. And I'll show you what I have before. Let's look behind curtain number 1. So this lovely door, as you can see, is in 2 parts. I've had to connect them together just because it's such a stupid design. And I don't think that was the original design. I think this was just a quick fix. And as you can see, there's a couple of bolts there. And that's really what holds the door together. And look at that! Airflow, which is fantastic. So this is why I have to replace this. Also, if I look at this incredibly clean space here, including this closet and other stuff just hanging out, this whole space, including that door that goes to the deck currently, is going to become a spare room. And it's actually going to start right here. This is the wall of my current master bedroom, which is a mess, so I'm not even going to show it to you. But this whole area is going to become another bedroom. That means if I move over back to this side, I need to put in a new door. So you may be asking, why is there so many different lines? Well, what I actually did, I can't put a actual patio door there because the size just isn't right for a regular patio door. What I am going to do is put a sliding glass window in there, and it's going to be 5 by 5. So that is what I used all of this right around here to actually do the outline of what my door is going to look like. So here's what the wall looks like on the outside. As you can see, it is nothing but siding up to the window right there. In another video, we're going to get rid of this chimney and the entire fireplace that connects to it. So here it is right here. This is a 5 by 5 window, and this is going to go into where that opening is going to be. This is going to be my new patio door. And here it is, all safely stored until it's ready to go up. Follow along as I complete this bugger of a project. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, share with your friends.